This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a free contact form pop-up in WordPress website. So follow this easy and quick step-by-step guide to add a pop-up contact form in your WordPress website. First of all, we need to install and activate two different plugins. One is Contact Form 7 and another is Popup Builder. To do that, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on Plugin, click on Add New. Click on the Search Plugins box and right here, Contact Form 7. This is the plugin you have to install and activate. Once done, search here Popup Builder. And here you will get lots of plugin to make pop-up. So we are going to install this one. So install this Popup Builder plugin and activate. Once you installed the Contact Form 7, you will get this contact option here through the Contact Form 7 plugin, and through the Popup Builder plugin you will get Popup Builder option here. Now we need to create a form first. To do that, click on Contact, and by default you will get a contact here. You can easily edit this contact form according to your requirement. So click on Edit, and inside of this form you will get your name field, your email field, your message field, and the submit button. And here you will get bunch of different fields for your contact form. You can add any of them inside of your contact form. Once your editing finished, click on Save. Once your form saved, you will get a shortcut here. Now click on the shortcut and right click on it. Copy the shortcut. Now we need to connect the Popup Builder with this contact form. To do that, click on Popup Builder. Click on Add New. So we will select the HTML. Add here the pop-up title. And here you have to paste your contact form shortcut. Once done, click on Publish. Click on Publish. Scroll down, and from here you can customize the pop-up actions. Display rule. If you want to show your pop-up contact form in your entire website, then select everywhere. You can select all posts, you can select all pages. So I'm gonna selecting here everywhere, and then select the conditions option. Then you can go to the design section to change the pop-up theme from here. You can enable pop-up overlay from here. So customize the pop-up option from here, and now I'm going to opening my website to show you the final result. As you can see, after opening my website, a pop-up contact form is automatically showing up here. This is the name field, email field, message field, and the submit button. And anyone will be close the pop-up window by clicking on this cross icon. So this is how we can add a free contact form pop-up in WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.